Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I thought I'd teach you a couple of space doodles. We've got an alien and a rocket ship and a cool little planet over here and some stars. All right, all you'll need are a paper, pencil eraser, and a black outline pen. All right, let's get started. So first, what I want to show you how to draw is the alien. He's really cute. We're going to start with an upside down U. Upside down U, just like that. And I'm not going to make it super tiny. I'm not going to make it huge. I kind of want it medium size. All right. Now on the bottom, I'm not going to draw a straight line. I'm going to draw a curved line. All right. So it kind of looks like a gumdrop. If you've ever had that candy, it's kind of round on top and a little round on the bottom as well. All right, next we're going to draw, this is the glass part of the spaceship. We're going to start to draw the saucer. So for the saucer, I'm going to start at these two corners. I'm going to go to the left diagonally. So I'm not going straight across. I'm not going straight down. I'm going to the side. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to try to match that, going the opposite direction. Okay. All right. That looks pretty good. Now, just like I drew a curved line here, I'm going to draw a curved line here. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to join it back up to the side. Next, I'm going to put a little dash, a little line like that. And that's just going to help me kind of measure where to go. So going back to this corner, I'm going to make a curve down to that little dash, just like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to meet it up right back to that dash. And I'm going slowly so I can be very careful. All right, so there we go. We've got the shape. I'm going to add a half dash right there, just a little dash. And then inside this area, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 circles. I'm going to add some curved lines that get smaller. They start big and then they start to get smaller. Right here on the left side, and then on the right side, I'm going to draw one big curve like that. That's going to help it look like it's sort of reflecting. Now, because it's a spaceship, I think it needs a cute little alien inside. Let's draw one. I'm going to start kind of in the center. I'm going to make a big circle that fits inside. I'm going to give him 2 antennas on either side and circles on the tips. Next, I'm going to draw his body. So I'm going to start at the neck, and I'm going to curve a line to the left and curve a line to the right. I'm going to give him a smiley face. I'm going to put one line here, one line there, and a little smile. And I'm also going to give him some hands. So I'm going to put one dash line up, another dash line, and then I'm just going to put a U. I don't know what kind of hands aliens have, but I'm going to give them those kind. All right, and that's it. Believe it or not, that's our little spaceship guy. I'm going to go ahead and outline him. Take your black pen and trace those lines that you drew. All right, and there we've got it. Last but not least, let your ink dry. Oops, I forgot to draw his face. There we go. Make sure your ink is nice and dry, and then take your eraser and lightly erase any pencil marks that you still see. All right, and there you have it. There's our little alien. Next, I'm going to show you how to draw that rocket ship. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another piece of paper. If you still have room on your paper, go ahead and keep drawing on it. You might not need another piece, but I'm using smaller pieces of paper for my tutorials, so I'm going to use a different one. All right, next up, let's draw the spaceship. All right, so to draw the spaceship, here's what I want you to do. I want you to start in the bottom half of the paper. I want you to make a smiley face. Not a big smiley face, just a nice little curve, just like that. And then, in the middle of that smiley face, I want you to make an invisible line that goes up, 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 right about here. Not to the tip top, but pretty close. Now, we're going to curve the sides, and we're going to round it up to that point. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to round it up, and then I'm going to bring it over to that point, okay? And if your lines are not the way you like them, go ahead and erase them. Fix them the way you like. There we go. All right, next up, I'm going to draw two curves pretty close to the tip. They look like smiley faces. One there and one slightly below. Now on top of that point, I'm going to draw a line up in a circle right on top. In the center of this, I'm going to draw a pretty big circle. And then in the center of that, I'm going to draw a little bit of smaller circle. I'm just going to kind of trace the shape, but slightly going inward. All right. And in the center, I'm going to draw one dash and one longer dash. That's going to help look like a reflection. Now, on the bottom of that little first smiley we drew, we're going to draw lines that go inward. So they're going to come down and go slightly in. Then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to make a curve right under it. Just like that. So I'm making another layer to this rocket ship, kind of like the bottom part of it. In that layer, I'm going to make lines that go up and down all the way across. And then on the bottom of that, I'm going to make a diagonal line going out. So it's not going in like this one, it's going the opposite way. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then we've been copying the curves quite a bit. We're going to continue that. See this curve? I'm going to copy it, but I'm going to copy it down here. I'm going to copy it lower. And inside of that curve, I'm going to put a little line that goes right down the side and one more off of the right. Okay, these are just little added details. Next, I'm going to add the fins. Well, they look like fins to me. I'm not sure what the technical name is, but I'm going to add them. And what they are is they look like little curved lines. So I'm going to draw a curved line like this. And then I'm going to stop this at a point. I'm going to push it back up and curve it back to the ship. See that? Kind of looks like a little hook. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to start up here. I'm going to kind of match it over the side, make that invisible line. I'm going to curve it down just like that one. And then I'm going to make this into a point and come back up like so. Okay? Next, we're going to draw the flames that are kind of shooting out of the bottom of this rocket. And to draw the flames, I'm going to start sort of in the center, and I'm going to go diagonally down. I'm going to make zigzag lines, all different kinds. They're not going to be the same at all. And then I'm going to go back up, just like that. I'm going to do that again, except this time I'm going to go a little bit further out, and I'm going to make them longer. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go down further, and then I'm going to make my zigzaggy lines and go back up. Okay, last but not least, we're going to add some dash marks to the side. So it looks like this rocket is really in action. It's doing something. It's shooting off to the moon. All right, and last, we are going to, of course, take our black pen and outline. Next, we're going to take our eraser after we let our ink dry. We're going to lightly erase any pencil marks that are still showing. And there it is. There's our rocket. You can color that. You can add paint to it. You can decorate it any way you'd like. You can put designs on it. Make it how you like. All right, and last, I'm going to grab another piece of little paper for this last doodle. This is going to be our planet. So we're going to start with a circle. And in that circle, we're going to make a series of wavy lines. They're not all going to be the same. They're going to be kind of different from one another. I'm going to even leave some space in between some of these. Maybe even some smaller wiggles. You can make this planet look however you'd like. And last, of course, we're going to do our outline. All right, and there you've got it. You've got 3 fun little space doodles. All right, I hope you had fun, and I hope you use your creative thoughts to put these together and make something really spectacular. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.